completely different video that is way different to the other ones. Today, instead of doing a Roblox video or something related to FNF, I'm deciding to make a tier chart. And it's about how scary the animals is. Now, we might be here for a while because this is a 300 animal chart. So, I'm deciding I want to do this. So anyways, a hermit crab. Hermit crabs are not scary. I wouldn't say they're cute because, never mind, they're actually kind of scary because they literally look like aliens. Seriously, they do. And they look different to the other crabs. Next up, a sperm whale. If I had to compare myself to a sperm whale, hold on. A sperm whale is able to kill you just by using its sound. Alright. It looks like a combination with a deer and a fox. It's not scary. Now, cats are usually cute, but there's some that are kind of scary. What the heck is that? I have no idea what the heck that is though. Because I have no idea what the heck that is. But I'm putting this right here. Definitely. Alright. A shark. Now sharks are actually hard for me to rate. Because I can either put them on I crap myself. Or just put it on to kind of scary. Because sharks can be scary now. They're not like sloths. Because some sloths are scary and some of them are not. But anyways, if I had to rate a shark, I'll just put it next to the killer whale. I'm gonna scare myself. Alright. Sloths are cute. Crows, not scary, but they sound scary. Eels, not scared. Tuna, not scary. It's just a fish. A bull, yeah, it looks kind of scary. A cockroach, now, I'm scared of these, especially if they're big. But they're not scared. No, things like this. I'm scared to death by these. A goose. Now hold on. Now, listen to me when I say this. A swan is probably one of the most scariest animals in my opinion. Because they're vicious and they can literally almost kill you. So porcupines, bobcats. I never seen one of these in real life. But they're not really scary. But if I see one that had to fight it, then I'll be scared. These are, I'm scared to death by these. I don't know what they're called, but I'm scared to death by those. Now these look cute. This hippopotamus. Now hippos will mess you up. They will definitely mess you up. So I'm definitely scared if I see a hippo. Even if I'm at a zoo where they're literally not able to even be out of the cage, I'm still scared by them. Now ducks, they're the same thing with swans, but they won't attack you if you don't mess with the babies. Ants will mess you up, but they're not scary. Piranhas. Piranhas, kind of scary. They're kind of scary. About a dolphin. It's just a dolphin. What is it gonna do? Is it gonna jump out and give you the middle finger while slap you in the face? No, they don't even got even fingers. Alright, next up, salamander. They're not scared. In fact, they're actually cute. Wait, right, sharks. I shit myself. Woodpeckers. They're not scary, but they're actually, yeah, they're cute, actually. Now, these are cute, but they will mess you up, though. Seagulls. They're not scared. They're not scared. I'm not scared by seagulls. I forgot what this was, but depending on the looks, I'm scared to death by this. Now, I'm scared by that. I'm scared to death. This actually kind of looks cute. This, scarier than the deer one. Vulture, not scary. But iguanas, this is another creature that's kind of scary though. A whale's definitely not scary. These are on your face right now. So, of course they're not, so I'm not scared of these. I'm not scared of this, but I'm not scared of the man-o-war, but trust me, they will kill you. I saw multiple YouTubers state that you should not mess with that. Skunks are not scary. I can't tell if it's a barracuda or that one shark that lives in the bottom of the ocean. Either way, I'm not scared of them. Moths, not scary at all. Well done. The first ever animal to not be water related goes all the way towards the top. I'm scared of cobras, first of all, bro. And the last one I'm gonna probably do for now is these. This. That. And that, but I have to do something with this though. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I'm scared of anacondas. Alright, that's gonna be it for right now. Wait, I have to do one of my favorites. These, the manta rays, they aren't scary at all. Because they look like they will actually help you. I call these the angels of the sea. Anyways, that'll be it for right now, guys. If you want to see more tier lists, then hit the like button. And I'll see you around for the next video. Goodbye.